Alright, so it's the next day from when you last saw the truck, and we are going to be doing a lot of stuff today. We went to the good old AutoZone that everybody knows and loves, and we got $3,000 worth of stuff.
Close enough.
Close enough. And we are going to be doing transmission, but we are also doing a lot of engine stuff to it. Also just basic tune-up stuff that looks like it hasn't had in a long time. Cleaning up a lot of wiring, getting some more stuff working. We bought new gauges, temperature, oil, RPM, and we're just going to be running a whole bunch of new stuff through the truck just to try to clean it up and make it somewhat roadworthy, because right now it's not sure what is exactly going on. So we're going to dive right into that and give you guys an update when there is one. We're all about that work. All right, we got a whole bunch of wrong parts, so we went back and got all the right parts, and now we're gonna get her done. Alright, well, we just got new plugs and wires on, although some of them didn't fit, so we did use some of the old wires that seemed okay yet. And we got the engine oil change. We got just put a new fuel line on there, even though just because the old one was crusty. New thermostat in there. It is low on coolant. We will take care of that. But we're just gonna start it and see how she sounds. So, Micah, if you wanna hold this. Okay, here is just 4 of the spark plugs that were in there. Micah has the other 4, and they're a bit crusty. They've been in there a while, and they're Autolite plugs, so they're not exactly the greatest plug in the world. So, yeah, it runs a little bit better, although there is still a misfire. I'm guessing around 850,000 RPM, maybe. But there is still a small little misfire. So we did not change the cap and rotor, so I guess we could try and do that. And see if that fixes anything on it.
Guess we'll go see AutoZone again.
And he said see in an hour, and it's only been like 45 minutes, so.
That's true.
Is that why you guys stopped out there?
Yeah, it's not fixed. We tried. We failed. It's pretty bad. So let's go drive it some more! Okay, not quite. We're gonna blow it up! We got truck parts, boys! Alright, well that didn't work because it's still puking engine oil out the back. We're not puking, but it's running pretty good. So that leaves us with no option but to just pull it. I said I was gonna do it last video. I tried to sneak out of it this time and it didn't work. So we're just gonna do it. Nike is gonna pull it. So I don't know how long this will take. I have no idea, but I guess we're gonna find out. So we got the old torpedo heater going over there, running on diesel. Yeah. So we're just gonna start pulling stuff apart, start making a mess, and get at it. Alright, so it's literally been like 20 minutes, maybe a half hour, and we have everything almost completely out. All we have to do is do the motor mount bolts and then the belt housing bolts, and we should be ready to go. Getting this sucker out with a skid loader. There's a grease fitting for the oil pressure. Okay. All right, well, we got it out. A very unconventional way, but it's out. Makes me feel like a redneck. But yeah, it is it's not as pretty as I was hoping it would be. It's pretty crummy. But you can see kind of up in there that there's a lot of Permatex holding some stuff together. And there you go. That's yeah, it's here, let's see if we can do this. There we go. Yeah, there's a lot of Permatex holding some stuff together. It's cold, I can't even talk. And yeah, it's a little rough. Oh, that's a nice starter plate. Real nice. So we are gonna clean up just a little bit and go to bed and live to fight another day. Although, clarify, we're not going to bed together. Sorry, Micah.
Make a note of that.
So, all right, well, we'll see y'all later. Have a good one.